Hello, students. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of nouns. Let's learn together. A noun is a part of speech that is used to indicate persons, animals, places, or objects. Now, let's learn the types of nouns. First is the proper noun. These nouns are special because they name specific things. These nouns always start with a capital letter. For example, Victoria's Secret is a luxurious clothing brand. Then, common nouns. These nouns are general names that do not need a capital letter. They describe general types of people, places, or things. For example, I will watch a movie this weekend. Next is the abstract noun. These nouns name ideas or feelings that we cannot touch or see. For example, best of luck. Here, luck is something we can't physically grab. Also, collective noun. These nouns refer to groups of people, animals, or things. For example, I saw a flock of birds. Here we're talking about a group, making flock a collective noun. Another is material noun. These nouns describe substances or materials. For example, have you seen my leather jacket? Here, the word leather is a material noun as it describes what the jacket is made of. Next, countable noun. These nouns can be counted individually. For example, we need more chairs for the audience. Here, chairs is a countable noun because we can count them. Then uncountable noun. These nouns cannot be counted individually. For example, I need some advice from you. Here, advice cannot be counted. Next is singular noun. These nouns indicate just one person, place, or thing. For example, please clean the window. Here, a window is singular since it refers to one. Then, plural noun. These nouns show more than one of something. For example, how many students attended the English class? Here, students are plural as it refers to many. Also, gender noun. These nouns indicate the gender of a person or thing. For example, the waiter brought us our food, which shows a masculine noun. Another is concrete noun. These nouns are nouns that can be physically seen or touched, like bike or stone. For example, his room is filled with fiction books. Books are concrete nouns. Lastly, we have compound noun. These nouns are made of two words that together have a new meaning. For example, a butterfly has beautiful wings, where butterfly combines butter plus fly. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of a concrete noun. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.